Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to learn what is arithmetic progression. See, if any sequence, if numbers are adding with a particular digit, then we call arithmetic progression. See, example 2, 5, after 8, 11, and so on. This is arithmetic progression. Why? Because after 2 we added 3, after 5 we added 3, after 8 we added 3. See, in this sequence the common difference is 3, so this is arithmetic progression. And one more example, suppose -1, after that 1, after that 3, after that 5 and 7. Here we added 2, here 2, here 2, here 2, so this is AP. Let's say I will give one more example, 1, 4, 7, 10 and 12. It is arithmetic progression or not? Let's see. Suppose here we added 3, here 3, here 3, after that here we added 2. So in this sequence common difference is not same, so this is not AP. Okay, see, in arithmetic progression we can write this in numerical nature. Suppose example first term start with A and the series has common difference is D, so next term we will add D, A plus D, and next term we will add after second term plus D, so A plus 2D. Next term we will add plus D, A plus 3D, so on, plus A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the numerical nature of arithmetic progression, and let's discuss about this very clearly. Here let's see, T1 equal to A and T2 equal to A plus D, T3 equal to A plus 2D, so on, and Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here we have to observe one thing. See, first term start with A and we added common difference D to first term, then it is A plus D. And for next term we added D and it is A plus 2D. So if the first term is A and next term we added A plus D, that's why Tn equal to A plus n minus 1D. Observe again. See here T2 is coming as 1D. That's why T3 is coming as 2D. Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T2 equal to A plus D, T3 equal to A plus 2D, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Let's discuss what we discussed first example. We will discuss that. Suppose here we are using 2, 5, 8, 11. See, 2, 5, 8, 11. What is the first term? Suppose what is the T100 term? We have to find that. Here what is the first term? First term is A equal to 2. Second term T2 equal to A plus D equal to 5. And common difference is what? 2 plus D equal to 5. D equal to 3. See, we can see our series also. 2, we added 3. After that 3 is common. And we find common difference is D. So what is T100? T100 equal to A plus n minus 1 into D equal to A plus 100 minus 1 D equal to A plus 99 D. A is what? 2 plus 99 into 3. What is the value? 299. You have to, if you are very fast, you can remember like this. T100 equal to A plus 99D. See, already I told you. T1 equal to A, T2 equal to A plus 2D, 3T equal to A plus 2D. Similarly, T100 equal to A plus 9090. Suppose T200 equal to how much? We know T200 equal to A plus 19090. What is value A? A equal to 2 plus 199 into 3. It is 596. See, this is the arithmetic progressions. In next lecture, we will learn how to do sum of n series and also what is the arithmetic mean. Thank you.